Hey, Rainbow here, and welcome to my channel. I'm going to talk today about another pair of jeans that I just bought, riding motorcycle jeans. Let me just put something right out there, right out of the beginning. I'm going to provide a link to these through Revzilla. I don't make a penny. I'm not sponsored by Revzilla. I paid for these jeans out of my own pocket, but I think it's important enough to go over. I've already talked about 3 times about the Scorpion EXO Covert jeans, and I don't recommend them because of some problems. There's a lot of links to stuff like that with some videos that I've done. Anyway, let's go over these jeans that I really like from Revit. So the jeans that we're going to talk about today that I just bought and I really like are by Revit, and these are the Jeans Philly 3 LF, and LF stands for loose fit. Now let me clarify something, although I like to clarify stuff. Number one, the reason why I am getting riding jeans is because I ride a motorcycle to work. I often have to wear a button-down shirt. I have to look professional, and I don't want to be changing and going to work in one type of an outfit and then having to change and then change before I leave. So I'm looking for jeans that are professional looking, that are nice, that are loose fitting, that aren't over the top or crazy, and yet are comfortable and usable. Right now I have 3 pair, including the Philly that I just bought from Revit. I have 2 pair of the Scorpion Covert EXO. Only one of them is any good, the other one is all scratchy. I have to figure out what the hell I'm going to do with them. All right, so let's talk about these Revit jeans that I really like because they are very comfortable. They are loose fitting. I'm typically a 32-32. I purchased a 32-32, and they are very accurately sized for United States sizing. These offer a lot of protection, and I'll give you a little bit about these really casual, very comfortable looking jeans. Number one, they are loose fitting. They're motorcycle jeans, and they are everyday jeans, but you can also wear them on the motorcycle, which is why they are designed. Now, they're a little bit pricey as far as I'm concerned. Typically I buy a pair of Levi's. I was appalled when I had to spend more than $29 and then $30 and then $40 and now $45 for a pair of jeans. So when I bought, for example, the EXO jeans from Scorpion, I was appalled that I spent like $120 on a pair of jeans. Well, these are about 230 bucks. And I've never spent that kind of money, but I have to look at it not as a pair of jeans, but I have to look at it as a pair of, it's riding equipment, okay? They do have 5 pockets. I will tell you that the pockets are nice and deep in the front. I don't use rear pockets at all because my wallet is it's a thin wallet that I use in the front pocket, so it's harder for people to pick your pocket. There's a lot of safety seams on this thing, a lot of triple stitching on there. Now, the hip protectors are CE level 1. They slide in, they're really nice. You can see them on the video. As far as the knees, it's also the C Smart RV36 L1A, and that is also a CE level 1 knee protector. And again, like I said, it has the triple stitching just about everywhere. Now, the outer shell on this set of jeans is that 15-ounce Cordura denim. Now, very abrasion resistant and nothing like your traditional denim fabrics. Okay, so it hopefully will cut down on a significant amount of road rash. Hopefully we'll never need it. Also, on the sides, if you turn up and you cuff your jeans, they actually have a reflector strip at the very bottom. So if you like to cuff your jeans at the bottom, if that's your thing, you can go ahead and do that. And I think you're gonna like the fact that for nighttime riding, you have another added level of visibility because of this little strip on it, you know, and they're set up so that it's on the outside. All right, it is certified according to the EN 17092 standard, and that was published in 2020, and it has a AA rating. So these are great jeans. I think they're really comfortable. What I do like is that the armor is removable, and also the armor it seems like it's very high quality. I'm really enjoying it. Again, it is level 1, but these are great jeans. They're really good fitting. I think they're comfortable riding the bike, the motorcycle. They work extremely well, and I can go to work with them, and no one really knows, and this is the most important part to me other than safety, is that no one knows that I have motorcycle jeans on, and you can't even really tell that I have hip protection, that I have knee pads. They really fit in, and that's why I wanted this type of jeans, because for me it's work. So if you want a pair of work related jeans that you can, now that you don't want to be working in them, like if you're going to a construction site and you're going to be kneeling down and digging ditches, of course you don't want to wear these out. It's kind of expensive. But for me, where I pretty much have a desk job, these work perfectly fine, and now I can rotate my jeans so I'm not wearing out the same pair over and over and over. Again, I get nothing for this. Revit doesn't sponsor me. Revzilla, where I purchased them, doesn't sponsor me. I paid for these with my own money. I'm just giving you my feedback on them and why I bought these. Anyway, this is Rienbo. Please like, please subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Thank you very much, and have a great day.